Guys, let's take you through some single unilateral exercises that you can do very easily to incorporate with the alternating sets that I've just been describing to you. Unilateral exercises work great because the transition takes minimal amount of time, which then allows you to go ahead, decrease their recovery time, and allows them to work out a little bit more aggressively. Now, if you're scared about the exercise and transitioning, just start with a smaller band so that they get used to the exercise. But let me take you through these, what would typically be bilateral exercises, and we can turn them into unilateral exercises. First of all, unilateral shoulder press. What I'm going to do is stand on the band with one foot. I'm going to put it behind, and I'm going to do one arm shoulder presses. Now that would be one way you could do it. Another way you could do it to make the transition even less is to just go ahead, position here, and just work at doing that. But what I find is people don't like that because the band goes in front of them. So what I'll do typically is go ahead and either stand on it, show you like I did earlier. A third option is to go ahead and put it back here and press it in this position. Now it's going to be much easier for them. The key will be here though, will be the transition. They'll have to step in, step through the band, and go ahead and get it behind them again to go ahead and press overhead. So any of those three options you can use for overhead shoulder presses. Reverse lunges, real easy. Just use the rack position, step on the band, put it up here, and you're going reverse lunges so that you can go ahead and drop down, back up. Real easy, just step in, step out, and you're good to go. Very easy to go ahead and work that. Another exercise, staying with this same setup, go into doing one arm incline presses. Nice exercise to do. If people don't like the band on their arm, drop it here, and they work at doing one arm incline press out in front. That's another way to go ahead and do that. You could also go ahead and do incline presses unilaterally by dropping it back here, putting it in front. Notice the band is here, and now I got to press out and up. And I've got a big staggered stance. So unilateral incline presses work great too. Single leg RDLs, real easy. Just pop it down, reach down, grab the band, like here, just doing some single leg RDLs. Very easy to transition. You just step in, step out, and you're ready to go on the other side. Need more tension? Just reach down closer to your foot so the band is pulling you more down towards your foot because the resistance is higher. Unilateral lawnmower pulls. Very easy. Just go ahead, hook the band on your foot. Two ways you can do it. Double the resistance so that you're grabbing the loop and working pulling. That's too much tension. Just drop it down, hook it onto the foot like so, reach down, grab it there, and work one arm lawnmower pulls in that fashion. Transition's very easy. Just drop it into this foot, reach down, grab it here, one arm lawnmower pulls. My preference is though, and most of my clients, they're just going to hook the band on one foot, go ahead, pull here, and then what they're going to do is just step it over, hook it on this foot, and pull here. So we get this serape effect. Last exercise that you can do unilaterally is a nice exercise doing one arm chest presses. My suggestion is you take the band, drop it down here so that you're getting full range of motion with the resistance, and make sure that you get them into a nice deep lunge so they really got to work on stability as they're doing that one arm press. Real simple, just switch legs, drop down, put it up high, and press. If the band is not sitting up high enough, it's going to crawl up your body. Make sure you position it towards your scapula so you can do a unilateral chest press real easy. There you go. Unilateral exercises that you can apply to your alternating sets. So now you're alternating exercises and going ahead and going back and forth from one side to the other and knocking out a great workout.